Hi everyone, Ben from Twism here. Today I'll be giving you a quick overview of how rewards work with Twism. Let's hop right in. The most common coin that will be earned and used by your customers will be rewards coins. Your customers will automatically earn coins from purchases made at your business based on their order total. No other steps are required. No more confusing point systems, punch cards, member IDs, or entering phone numbers. After purchase, reward coins are instantly added to their digital super wallet. To launch your rewards program, click here on the Start Guide, and then click Get Started. First, you will need to inform Twism which point of sale system you use. This will allow Twism to make the proper connections and ensure customers earn your branded coins at each purchase. If you use Square, Twism has direct integrations. Please select these, enter your account credentials, and accept permissions to proceed. If you do not use Square, simply select Other and then click Next. For the rewards rate, simply select the percentage to reward per purchase, as it determines how many coins customers will earn on each transaction. For example, if your rewards rate is set to 5% and a customer spends $100, they will receive $5 worth of coins. But they don't have to reach any sort of threshold. If they were to spend only $20, then they would receive only $1 worth of coins. Remember, when your customers redeem their rewards, 1 coin is equivalent to $1 in value. Now on to refund and returns policy. If your business is primarily a food and drink or service-based business that does not have a returns policy, we highly recommend setting this to instantly so that your customers receive coins right away. However, if your products are subject to returns and exchanges, then we want to make sure that your customers' coins are protected during the length of your policy's term. This way, if a customer makes a purchase and earns coins, those coins won't be made available for redemption until the policy has lapsed. When you're ready, simply click Launch Your Program, and then you're done. Now let's talk about how this works for your customers. Every Twism user gets a digital super wallet that holds coins received from your business and other participating brands. With Twism, your customer's credit card is now their rewards card. Twism is compatible with Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Encourage your customers to use the Twism mobile app to link their cards and shop like normal. Just swipe or tap and earn automatically. When your customer earns coins, they will receive a notification that looks a little something like this. After accumulating some coins, they can easily redeem them by selecting your business in the Twism wallet, selecting rewards coins, entering the amount of coins they would like to use, and then tapping continue. Confirm that they are in front of a cashier or server, and then tap Pay Now. They will then receive a confirmation screen and then displayed the redemption screen. The customer will then present this screen to the cashier or server. The cashier will then apply a discount from your POS terminal according to the amount of coins redeemed. Please note that if you do not use Square, you will need to manually set up the proper discount within your POS system. So there you go. We encourage you to launch your rewards program today and watch your customers begin to earn and use your branded digital coins. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at support@twism.com.